Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure to hit on the red subscribe button down below to join this wonderful family. Okay, so you guys, quickly on this video, I'm going to be reacting to this currently trending dance challenge on TikTok. So some of our faves have been doing amazing and beautiful, wonderful performances on them. So I'm going to be rating all these wonderful dances as usual. You guys, this is totally my own opinion. Do not forget to drop this on the comment section. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's get to the main video. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, I love their energy. I love kids that knows how to dance. Like, they have a special place in my mind. Okay, so we just did the kids version. Okay, we're coming to the mama's version. Let's go. Okay, I love their energy already. Wow. Okay, nice. You guys, I love their energy. Like, I love it. Okay, we have Speedy and Clips down. Energy. Okay. I think this video was very creative. Okay, we have Celine. You know, when it comes to things like this, Celine is always very extra. I said it. But jumping on the tree is really necessary. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have soft music. So I'm going to recommend, as usual, this challenge is one of the easiest challenge on TikTok currently trending. So if you are looking for a challenge to do on TikTok, this is the one for you. Like, it's very easy. You don't even need to dance. You just follow the beating and you're going to get it. Let's go. I just love the energy these people use on this particular challenge. I just love the energy. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I just love the fact that kids are able to join this challenge. Like, I don't know, you watch the kids, you watch the adults. Okay. Afronita. Okay. Energy. Okay. Okay. Energy. I think this particular challenge comes with its own vibe. Like, it comes with its own energy. Whether you have energy or not, as long as you are doing this challenge, automatically you just have to put in energy, because you need energy for you to look entertaining, for you to look nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, this one is very demure. These people did it in a very demure way, like very cool. Okay. Energy. Okay. Okay. This lady must be a South African, because I think it's them that actually gets this particular dance. Like, that's a unique way they move their body to this particular dance. Okay. We have Gracino. Nice. Okay. Let's go. Energy. Okay. So far, minus the kids that are joining this challenge, I think I love this clip in particular. Just love their energy. Let's go. Let's go. I just love the body movement, like, and the way it rhymes with the song. And the attitude. Like, you must pull up an attitude. You must pull an attitude in this particular challenge. Let's go. Okay. I think this one is more professional. Like, the dance is more professional. Let's go. energy. Because I think I'm loving this energy, like. Okay. Energy. Okay. Wow. That lady is giving lots of it, like lot of energy. Okay. Okay. I don't want to say anything about this video. Like, I don't want to say anything about this video. Just drop your comments. That particular clip, I don't have anything to say about it. Okay. Energy. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Okay. He was giving this load of energy, like, what's going on? Nice. Energy. Okay. Wow. You guys, I love the energy that they share, like, I love it. Nice. Talking about vibes, like, talking about the energy, talking about vibes, like, look at the kings of vibes here. Wow. I'm sure they're South African, like, I am very, very sure. Like, you can't pull this energy if you're not from SA. Like, you can't. You cannot. It's not just possible. It's only them that can pull this kind of energy. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. I love this. I love that energy, like it's kind of shared, the vibe. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do that, and then comment who you think is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the very next one. Bye.